Good morning, first and second graders. You're the only ones that when I teach, I don't have to wear my mask. If you don't know me, I'm Mrs. Coakley. It's like exactly the same as C-O-K-E, Coke, with L-Y. And we are going to do art once a week. And I will Zoom with you every so often. So if you need to ask me something, or your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa can email me here at the school if there's a question. We are trying to keep our space apart from other people so nobody else gets sick. So we are going to do a space story today, and then we're going to draw an astronaut. So the story's called Me and My Place in Space. I know that looks backwards to you. Me and My Place in Space. This is me on my place in space, the planet Earth. Tonight, I can see the moon from my place in space. The moon is a ball of rock that travels in a path around the Earth, just like the Earth travels in a path around the sun. The sun is really a fiery star as big as 1,000,000 Earths. So bright and hot, it lights and heats our whole solar system. 9 different planets, including Earth, that travel around that sun. On Mercury, the planet that's closest to the sun, the days are burning hot and the nights are icy cold. The sun comes up in the west on Venus. Its gleaming cloud cover makes it the brightest planet of them all. My place in space, beautiful Earth, is the 3rd planet closest to the sun and the only one in our solar system where living things grow. Long ago, there may have been life on Mars, but now Mars is rusty, dusty, and cold. Jupiter is a massive ball of gas, bigger than all the other planets combined. Saturn's wide rings are made of ice particles, some big as houses. On Uranus, it never gets warm, even though the sun shines 42 years in a row. Neptune looks like a blue twin of Uranus. The great dark spot is a giant cyclone where winds blow at 700 miles an hour, and Pluto is an ice ball. So far away, the sun is like a dot in the distance. But as big as our solar system, it is only one tiny part of the Milky Way, an immense galaxy made up of hundreds of billions of stars, some with solar systems of their own. And the Milky Way is only one of the many, many galaxies in the universe. So many you might run out of numbers to count them. The universe is so gigantic, you could travel for trillions of years and never get to the other side. Sometimes I wonder, way out in space, is there another galaxy just like mine? Another solar system like mine? Another sun like mine? Another planet like Earth? With someone like me? Could be. And then it has words to learn about space. Now, we're drawing an astronaut to help us remember when we go out to different places. Astronauts have to wear their masks, their helmets to be safe, and we have to wear our masks when we're out around other people. Now, I know you don't have to at home, but if you're out someplace like you're going to the grocery store, you need to wear it. So, if you could get a piece of paper and a pencil, we're going to draw together. And if you have not drawn with us before, it's okay because I go pretty slow. And they're really easy lines. Most of the people have learned these lines when they were in kindergarten, so they should be able to do this too. But we're going to draw an astronaut. Then you can color it. You can add planets. You can add rocket ships and stars around it. You can also add it to your Artsonia account, and I will be sending home a paper with you on Friday when you come get your library books to talk to you about your Artsonia account, because even though you're learning at home, mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or someone could take a picture of your artwork and they can still put it in your portfolio. But for right now, if you have your pencil and paper, we're going to draw our astronaut, okay? And we are going to start kind of with an oval shape up here, okay? Not exactly a circle, okay? There we go. And under that oval, we are going to put a skinny oval like that. That's still part of his helmet. So 2 ovals. Now we're going to do a smile curve, okay? And the smile curve is going to be his astronaut tummy, or her astronaut tummy, just like that. Now, spacesuits are kind of funny. They have to be able to bend, so their arms and their legs look kind of wiggly. So we need a wiggly line out here on both sides for this arm, and we need a wiggly line out here for this arm, and then we need a wiggly line down here and here for this leg. My astronaut's legs are kind of skinny, and we need a wiggly line here and here. Okay, I'll let you catch up. That's 8 wiggly lines. They don't have to be perfect, okay? That just shows the part of their spacesuit that they can bend and move around in, okay? Now, right down here, we're gonna close it up and put a smile curve for his space boot. We're gonna close it up, put a smile here for a space boot, okay? Now, they have kind of funny gloves, okay, so we can draw most of the fingers. So put a smile curve here and a smile curve here. And then your thumb is closest to your face. And if you can only get 3 or 4 on there, it'll be okay. And this one, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm kind of drawing upside down, so I don't know how mine are exactly turning out. Now, let's go back up to this helmet that we have to keep on to keep safe. And we're going to draw the window part so they can look out, just like that. And they always have extra little things that they listen to the space people who stay in the spaceship and talk to them. You can even put a little antenna type thing right here. Okay. Now, if you want to, almost all of them you can see their eyes, so do a rainbow curve on top and a smile curve. Yours will look better when you color it. And their nose and their mouth has to be inside their spacesuit so they can breathe. So we really just see, and that's kind of like when we wear our masks. Our masks have to cover our nose, okay? And then over at the side here, there is this circle, and that's his air hose that comes up over to here. Okay, so there you are as an astronaut. Okay, if you want to go back, you can add eyebrows, okay, eyelashes, okay, anything like that. You could put stars around here. The easiest way to draw stars is draw a point at the top and then draw points for the star's arms and then points for the star's legs. Okay? And then if you want to try a planet or a sun or something like that, you can, and then color it, but save it, and then I'll make sure someone knows how we can put it in your portfolio on the Artsonia website. Now, if you're new to our school, I will also share that information in a paper that will go home when you come pick up your library books on Friday. Okay? So have fun drawing. Don't have to be perfect, okay? We're just practicing. draw them again, try it a different way, okay? And then color it in any way you want to. Sometimes they have little patches on them. It might say USA or something like that, okay? So that's all for this week. Thanks. Bye.